it.
Hey, what's up? We're doing the Charlie challenge. My mom's right there. Hurry up! I'll have to hold down the button. I did it. It's holiday. Oh yeah, almost got it. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Alright, turn the light off. Here, Mom, give it to me. Thanks for filming.
Charlie, you're fake, right?
Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Charlie, do you want to play? I bet Charlie's busy with some other kids.
No.
He
says no because he's not real.
You're not real. Like I said, Bruce Jenner.
Alright, turn on the light.
No, not yet.
Come on, I'm done with this. I gotta work.
I just want to try and get to work.
Alright. Mary, you're still doing work.
It's almost.
Charlie, are you fake as hell? Yes. Charlie, you're not fake. As a matter of fact, I did it at lunch today and it worked.